Hi guys, and today I am doing a bonfire night and a school disco in the same video. So, we're doing bonfire night today. People might do it on the 5th, and we are going to do it in my nan's back garden. And we're going to have sparklers. By the way, our school disco was crap. People did like it, but it was so crap. They did put your right foot in, put your left foot out, put in, out, shake it all about. They played that song, and they, at the beginning, they played songs that nobody even knows. So it's really weird. But anyway, I did have a fun time playing with my friends. So, yeah. And they played some songs we knew. Yeah, they played Shout Out to My Ex. Yeah. I wish they played Wrecking Ball. Like, why wouldn't they? And they played Bubbles. One popped in my eye, but apart from that. And yeah, when all the bubbles popped on the floor, I just like laid them and I got all bubble liquid on me. And it was so you didn't need to wear your Halloween things, but I didn't because I didn't want to. But loads of people did. And yeah, Alfie got a prize, so it's all shouting, Donald Trump, Donald Trump. But if they won, Alfie's friends would have won, Taylor. So yeah, it was really funny. And bye. Hope you have a nice day for your firing bonfires, fireworks. Anyway, hope you have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Please subscribe, please. And hope you like this video. Bye. Peace.